Let's be real. Posting videos and barely getting the views you expected, that's very frustrating. People always say, consistently. But what if you're already posting consistently and nothing is changing? Today, I'm going to be breaking down how to grow your YouTube channel in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. So let's get into it. Tip number one, forget sub for sub. If you're a new creator, this is something you shouldn't even allow to be in your mind. First and first, sub for sub doesn't work. It's true, your subscribers count will go up, you will be very happy, but your views, not as you expected. That's why you see channels in maybe like 2,000 subscribers, even 10,000 subscribers, they barely get view, maybe like 100, 200 at most per video. Once you might even wake up one day and see that you have lost subscribers because people unsubscribe when they realize that they are no longer interested or genuinely interested in your content. So leave sub for sub and focus on real growth. Even the YouTube algorithm is now so smart that it unsubscribe people because it sees them as spamming. The reason is these people who are doing sub for sub, they do not engage with your video. They just come, watch like 1 minute, they hit the like button and they are out. Or they will just subscribe and they're out. They never visit your channel again. Tip number two, post video frequently. So if sub for sub doesn't work, what works then? First, you need to actually create content. The more you post, the better you get at filming, at editing, and even knowing what people love to watch on your channel. But that doesn't mean you have to post every day unless you have the energy. Instead, make sure you're posting at least 3 times in a week, maybe 2 times in a week. That's enough to build momentum as a new creator without burning out. You never know what video will take off, and consistency is what increases your chance of growth. Tip number 3, find your posting pattern. Not everyone's journey on YouTube looks the same. Some creators post daily and their views go up, while some post daily and their views drop. So pay attention to your own pattern. If posting often is lowering your views, you may want to scale back to 2 times if you're already doing 3 times. And if you're doing every day, let's assume you're doing every day, scale it back to 3 times a week. And if your views go up, the more you post every day, then continue with it. Tip number 4, stay consistent. Consistency isn't just about how often you post. It's also about your content styles and personalities. If people subscribe because they love a certain kind of content that you're creating, switching up too often to another kind of content may make them to leave. I made this mistake when I was starting off on YouTube. I was everywhere. This doesn't mean you can't experiment, but make gradual changes and see how your audience react. Tip number 5, create great video ideas, or should I say, create quality videos. Good content starts with good ideas. Focus on 3 types of content. Number 1 is trending topics. Hop on trending topics while they're still hot, but only if it aligns with your niche. If there is no passion for it, you may burn out too quickly. It is the reason why you have to stay within your niche when you're hopping on trending topics. Number 2, create evergreen content. Videos that stays relevant for years, like how to grow your YouTube channel, how to make money online. It's easy to come up with a lot of ideas when you ask ChatGPT for great ideas. Number 3 is searchable videos. People come to YouTube every day to seek for answers. So you may want to have titles like how to start your YouTube channel, how to cook jollof rice, how to lose weight in 2 weeks. It depends on what your niche is all about. Tip number 6, use a strong call to action. Don't just assume that people will subscribe to your channel. Remind them to do so. Just like I am reminding you right now to subscribe to my channel. You can even add a pop-up or just say it directly, but don't do it at the start of the video. You have to deliver value first before you ask them to subscribe to your channel. Growing on YouTube takes time, and if you stay consistent, creating valuable content and figuring out your posting pattern, you will see results. And if this has helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to put on your notification button, the one that says all, so that you don't miss my next video. And you'll be the first person to see my video whenever I post. See you again in my next video. Much love.